What's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe and tap that bell icon so you never miss out on my latest tips, tricks, and easy game hacks. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super simple way how to get unlimited gems in Shadow Fight 4 right from your phone. No PC, no shady downloads, and definitely no rooting or jailbreaking. I tested this myself and the resources landed in my account within minutes. Let's go step by step. First, open Shadow Fight 4 and head into your profile settings. There you'll find your unique player ID made up of numbers. Take a screenshot or write it down because you'll need it in a second. Got it? Awesome, let's move forward. Next, launch your browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you like, and visit the site linked in this video. Search for Shadow Fight 4, then select the Unlimited Gems hack tool when it appears. It's quick, simple, and works straight from your phone. On the generator page, you'll see a short form. Pick your platform Android or iOS, then paste in your user ID from earlier. Double-check that everything's correct, then hit Connect. The tool will sync with your account in just a few seconds. Here's where the fun starts. Choose how many resources you want to add, then tap Generate. From there, the tool runs automatically, handling all the encryption and server checks behind the scenes. Before the resources drop into your account, you'll need to finish a quick human verification. Usually that's just downloading a free app and using it briefly. Nothing complicated. Most sites even give you step-by-step instructions if you need them. Once that's done, you're all set. Now, reopen Shadow Fight 4 and check your gems balance. If you followed the steps correctly, the new resources should already be waiting for you. I tested it earlier today and it worked perfectly, smooth and fast. And there you go, that's the full guide, how to get unlimited gems in Shadow Fight 4. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe with the bell so you're always first to know about the next hack guide. Got questions or stuck on a step? Drop a comment below, I read them often and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, enjoy your boosted account, and I'll see you in the next video.